This quick question is about the cash budget and the statement of cash flows. And the question is, what's the difference between a cash budget and a statement of cash flows? Let's start with the cash budget. A cash budget is a prediction of the amount of money that a business will receive and pay out in future months. It also shows the expected cash position of the business, in other words, the forecast bank balance at the end of each of the future months. So in other words, the cash budget is a report that predicts the future in terms of the cash flows of the business. A statement of cash flows is shown on the screen here. It's basically a reconciliation that explains the reasons for the differences between the profit from operating activities, as reported in the limited company's income statement, and the change in the cash and cash equivalents between the start and the end of the financial year. The statement of cash flows is one of the financial statements that a limited company produces. And notice that it's a report that is based on things that have already happened in the past. So notice the contrast here between this report and the cash budget that we just looked at. The names of these two reports both include the word cash, but as we've seen, they are very different reports, so it's really important not to get them confused. In particular, as a final note, please don't be confused by other names which they might be called in other subjects, such as business studies. Please visit our website, studytheeasyway.com, to find out more about how we can help and support you through your A-level accounting studies. You can also find us on Instagram and TikTok.